fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? We are going to be talking about all the new indie makeup releases from the past week or so and what I think about them, whether I'm going to be purchasing them or not. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. I do a ton of content around independently owned makeup brands. I love to talk about smaller businesses. So this series is originally inspired by Anielka Nyqvist and Samantha March. They both do will I buy it, new makeup release type videos. I kind of added my own little twist to talk about majority small brands. So if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's jump right on in. All right, so let's start off with something super fun. Odins announced that they are coming out with mystery boxes and they are going to be available on April 17th. So that is Sunday. I'll make sure to have all the details linked down below. But these are going to be free shipping. You can use an affiliate code. You can save a little extra money. So there's two different size boxes. The smaller one's going to have at least 4 products. The larger one at least 8. And I just think this is super fun. If you haven't tried anything from Odins, highly recommend. I actually did get a mystery box from them, and I will have an unboxing up of mine on Sunday in case you're curious, so stay tuned for that video, but just wanted to let y'all know. I know I've gotten comments in the past when I unbox mystery boxes that are like, I wish you'd let me know that there were mystery boxes. So here's your sign. Now let's go ahead and talk about such an exciting collaboration. Cannot wait for this. So Clionadh finally announced, well, not announced, they revealed their full collaboration with Emilyvioletmarie. So this is the Dragonfruit collection, and I feel like we've been teased this for so long. So I'm just really excited to finally see the full project. So let's talk about the palette first. I think it's really cute. I love the packaging, and I think it's just gonna be such a beautiful companion palette. If you haven't tried Clionadh shimmers, then I feel like this is like the perfect opportunity because it is $74.99 Canadian dollars, which is approximately $59.40 US dollars. So yes, it's a $60 palette. I'm not saying that it's like super affordable by any means, but if you were going to try a bunch of shadows from Clionadh, I feel like this is probably like the most cost efficient way to do it. And I just think it looks super cute. It is mostly what I would expect when I was imagining a collaboration from Emilyvioletmarie. I definitely saw there being like a lot of pink tones because I feel like pinky, peachy tones, that's like her favorite. And she's done so many videos like talking about her love of those tones. So I was, expecting to see them here, but I feel like the little like pop of bright purple, the pop of green was a little bit unexpected. But overall, I think it's super cute. Can't wait to buy it. I'll definitely be grabbing this one and reviewing it, and I don't know, I just think it's adorable. The thing is, I feel like the swatches I'll leave on screen now, I feel like they look different than the palette. Is that a matte shade? I feel like the shade Sweden kind of looks like a matte. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know. When I saw it in the palette, I thought it was all... Oh, okay. Wow, I was not paying attention at all. I'm sorry. So it says there's 1 glitter type iridescent multichrome, 1 vibrant multichrome, 2 sparkle shadows, 2 duochromes, 3 metallics, and 4 velvet satins. So the velvet satins, they say you can use as a matte shadow or apply them as a metallic. So I'm assuming they're going to be like just like a little bit of a, a glow to them. So there's a few shades like that. I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. But looking at the swatches, I feel like they look so much brighter than what the shadows look like in the palette. Like I feel like in the palette, it looked a little bit more pastel. It looked a little bit lighter. But on the arm swatches, I feel like it looks very vibrant. So that's just something to keep in mind. But either way, I mean, I'm already kind of sold. I'm going to grab it. And then I'll leave a little picture on screen of Clionahd's Instagram just to show you. There's a bunch of other things going on as well. There is a brush collection, which does look cute, but I'm not like tempted to purchase it. It's not exactly like my aesthetic. There's some different like highlighters that look really pretty. I might grab one of those. They're called fruit lighters. Super adorable. They look like kind of shifty highlights. And then Clionadh is releasing a brand new product as well. They are going to be releasing their first nail polish or nail polishes, and those look stunning. I don't know. I might grab the pinky one. I'm tempted. I love a good nail polish. I've been trying to get more into indie nail polishes. So I'm excited about that as well. So I think the whole collection is just super, super cute. Can't wait to purchase it. It will be available on April 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, so next we have a new collection from Lunar Beauty, and this is available now. I feel like it was like as soon as it was revealed, it was basically available, which is one nice thing about Lunar Beauty. If you don't want to wait and like have to sit and see a release and then just wait and wait and wait to buy it, it was immediately available. But I believe this is like the Nude Prism collection, and the packaging of the eyeshadow palette is so, so beautiful. I think it's cute. And then the inside is just like a very super neutral palette. And you know, I kind of got to thinking about this because I was like, the outside packaging is so beautiful. The inside does not match it. But then I was thinking and I was like, does it really matter that much? I know I've talked about this before. When the outside, like, you get all hyped up, you're like, oh, it's going to be so cute, it's going to be so colorful, and then it's like, it's nothing like that. It can be a little annoying, but then at the same time, I was like, maybe these neutral lovers want that super beautiful, colorful packaging from Lunar Beauty as well, even if they want to wear neutral eyeshadows. So, I don't know. I'm not even going to be a hater about it. I'm not tempted to purchase it personally just because I feel like a lot of the shades look similar. I feel like it's just a very true neutral palette, and it's kind of like it looks like it's leaning warm, which isn't really my preference. And I also just feel like Lunar Beauty, they did change their eyeshadow formula because they switched manufacturers, and I just didn't like the new formula as much. So I'm just not tempted personally to purchase that. There's some glosses, and then there's also a blush palette, which the blush palette does look really pretty. I feel like of everything, that's what I like the most, but at the same time, I don't like it enough to feel tempted to go and purchase it. Even though I have the first blush palette and I would love to see them together, I'm not too tempted. Next, we have a new collection from What's Up Beauty, and I feel like they recently really came on my radar because I received a PR package from them and I've really been liking their products. So I actually haven't tried the eyeshadow palette yet, which is a shame because I'm very excited for the new one, but I've really been loving their brushes and their nail polishes. Their nail polishes, I've used 3 of them so far, and they actually last really well. Even without a top coat, they lasted for days, and the brush is super nice. So I've really been liking what's been going on with them. So they released their new, or sorry, it's about to release. It might be available when I'm posting this. I'm not sure yet. I'll make sure to leave the details down below, but this is the Geode collection. So there's an eyeshadow palette. The packaging is stunning. It kind of looks like a soft kind of jewel tone palette, super pretty. I saw Bad to the Brow post some swatches of the metallics and they looked so good. So I can't wait to get my hands on that. I think it's gonna be stunning. But what I'm actually the most excited for is the nail polishes. So I'll leave a little picture on screen now of the collection. I mean, these look so pretty. There's like some really nice neutral shades, but the 2 greens on the bottom, like the green bright one and then like the olive like murky green, love, love, love. Super excited about those. So I am receiving this collection in PR and I just can't wait. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video, but I know one of those 2 greens is going to be on my nails very, very soon. I do actually have one of their nail polishes underneath this one. I have Desert Rose from them on the bottom for like a pinky base, and then on top I'm wearing the Polished for Days polish. I think it's the shade 2021 if I remember correctly. All right, next there is a new foundation from Wayne Goss. So this is the Luxury Cream Foundation, and it looks like it is like, I don't think cream foundation is the right word for what I'm looking for. The foundation in a jar foundation. It says that it is weightless powder. Oh, wait, is it a powder foundation? But it says luxury cream. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It says it has a poreless beauty puff. Okay, I don't know. I'm like wondering, like, it sounds like it's a powder foundation, but I don't know why a powder foundation would be called a cream foundation. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But at the end of the day, it's releasing, and I'm personally just not interested in it. Either way, if it is a foundation in a jar, if it is a powder foundation, neither of those types of foundation really appeal to me. I mean, honestly, I'm just living my best life. Coats this foundation every single day. Like, I just feel like it looks so, so nice. I don't know. I'm just not really interested in this kind of foundation. I'm just living for like that, like lightweight serum tinted moisture kind of vibe right now. So I saw this and I was kind of like, oh, cool, interesting, pass. Like, it was just super easy to move on from. And then next, let's see, we have a new lip product from Lethal Cosmetics. These are their Haze Plush lip creams. They look super pretty, so I'll leave the picture first so you guys can see what they look like. I mean, it's just the same packaging as their other lip products, but then here is what the swatches look like. So I believe that this is supposed to be kind of like a hybrid. It's kind of like a liquid lipstick, but it's more creamy, and it's also not smudge proof is not the right word. It's not transfer proof. It's a little bit more creamy, but these look super, super pretty. I feel like the like middle kind of like neutrally mauve shades are calling to me. So yeah, I'm definitely interested in trying these. I think they look nice. And then let's see, we also have a new release from Kristen Leigh Cosmetics. So they announced that they're coming out with some brushes. I believe that these are launching tonight, if I remember correctly. I saw a countdown. And these do look cute. I mean, they have like green sparkles kind of in them, and I wonder if they're like the ones that move, because I love that. Those are, I don't know. I have some like that from Lime Crime that I got like as a free gift for a Black Friday order forever ago, and I still think they're just so much fun. So I think they look cute, but at the same time, the last thing I really need is more brushes. And looking at them, they look nice. Like, there's a few different blendy brushes, but I don't think that any of them look super unique or like they're gonna stand out or like really add a lot of purpose to my collection personally. So I think those are gonna be a pass. But y'all, this shadow, I'm leaving the video on screen because I couldn't even do a good screenshot. I just needed to post the video. Kristen Leigh Cosmetics announced that they were coming out with this new shade. I guess they custom made it for a customer, and then they decided that it was just too beautiful. They needed to share it with more people, and I mean, it is just stunning. So this is called Guava Twist, and it looks like this like lime green with like shifts of gold and pink and peach, and it's just beautiful. So I feel so silly making an order for like one single shadow, but if there was one, like, that is just so, so pretty. I'm 100% tempted by that shade. And then let's see, lastly, I had one more mainstream release to talk to y'all about before we end the video. So this is a new eyeshadow palette from Sigma. It is called the New Mod palette. It looks super cute, but I will say, I'm gonna leave Sigma's picture first. It looks nice here. It looks very neutral. It looks like it has some like nice cool tones, a little bit of mauviness. I mean, I like it here, but I'm not like dying to own it. And then this picture that Angelica posted on her Instagram, I feel like it just looks so pretty. Like, I feel like it looks so much more rich. It looks like it's, I'm assuming, possibly natural light. I don't know, but this picture had me tempted. I feel like the mattes look right up my alley. I don't know, it's just super pretty. I haven't gone to the website. I haven't even added it to my cart yet, but every time I see a picture of it on Instagram, I'm just like, ooh, that is a really pretty palette. But I'm trying to like talk myself out of it still. So I'd love to know what you guys think about that palette, if you want to see a review of it or not. I don't know, I just think it's so, so pretty. All right, y'all, so those are all the new indie makeup releases I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.